Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to open notification panel from home screen itself. Okay, to open notification panel, usually you will go to the top of your screen and open like this, and notification panel will be opened. Okay, suppose if you would like to open this notification panel by swiping down from the home screen itself. Yes, you can do it. What you do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen here, and here you will find swipe down for notification panel. Just to turn on this button so that you can open notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. Okay, so go to the home screen and swipe down anywhere on the home screen, and notification panel is opened. Okay. I have opened directly from the notification area, and also I opened from the home screen itself. Okay, so in this way you can easily open notification panel from home screen itself in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.